Welcome back to Racing Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, power, and cutting-edge automotive engineering. Today, we're diving deep into the modern modified BMW 7 Series 2025, a luxury beast transformed into a performance-driven masterpiece. This episode is packed with every intricate detail, from exterior refinements to powerhouse upgrades. The BMW 7 Series 2025 already stands as a symbol of elegance, but with these modifications, it turns into a road-dominating marvel. The exterior now boasts a custom aerodynamic body kit, including a redesigned carbon fiber front splitter, side skirts, and an aggressive rear diffuser. A matte black wrap with gloss blue accents gives it a stealthy yet striking appearance. The kidney grille is now illuminated, adding a futuristic touch, while the laser headlights feature adaptive technology for unparalleled night visibility. Under the hood, the modifications are nothing short of breathtaking. The twin-turbocharged 4.4L V8 engine has been tuned to produce 750 horsepower, thanks to upgraded EQ remapping, high-performance turbochargers, and an enhanced air intake system. A custom titanium exhaust enhances airflow while delivering a deep, aggressive roar. The 8-speed automatic transmission has been reprogrammed for quicker shifts, ensuring seamless power delivery. Suspension upgrades take handling to the next level. The adaptive air suspension has been fine-tuned to offer both comfort and track-ready stiffness. A lowered ride height improves aerodynamics, while the carbon ceramic brakes ensure precise stopping power at high speeds. With custom 22-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, the grip is phenomenal, whether cruising the highway or tearing up the track. Inside, the modifications redefine luxury. The cabin features Alcantara headliners, Nappa leather seats with custom stitching, and ambient lighting with customizable RGB modes. The infotainment system now includes a high-performance sound system with 3D spatial audio, ensuring an immersive driving experience. A fully digital instrument cluster and a heads-up display keep all vital stats in the driver's view. This modified BMW 7 Series 2025 isn't just about looks and power, it's about the perfect balance of luxury, technology, and high-performance engineering. Whether you're looking for executive-class comfort or track-ready aggression, this build delivers it all. That's a wrap for today's episode. If you love this beastly transformation, hit that like button, subscribe to Racing Cars, and turn on notifications for more high-octane content. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite upgrade? See you in the next episode, where we bring you another